Hi everyone, in this opportunity I am going to show you my tutorial, in this case NetBSD and XFCE with XDM display manager. Okay, this is a complete tutorial. You can see you can see some steps to do. Okay, it's complete tutorial. Okay, now I am going to start my operating system. Okay, let's go. Press enter or hit enter and you can see the XDM display manager. Okay, only in English. Okay, enter your user. Okay, press or hit enter and write your password. Okay, hit enter. You can see your XFCE desktop, complete desktop. The language is in English by default, no more in English. Also you can shut down, restart, for example, shut down or turn off your computer. Okay, I hope you enjoy my tutorial and visit my website and you can do some steps. Okay, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and see you next time.